Today we are going to see how a carbon dioxide extinguisher works, and we are going to do a home experiment. For this you need vinegar, baking soda, 3 candles and some matchsticks. First step, add 3 spoons of baking soda, then add some vinegar. Now add vinegar. Now there will be some foam of type coming up. Guys, did you see that the carbon dioxide from our solution here effortlessly pushed out the oxygen, which was essential for the fire to keep burning? Now let's see the concept behind the carbon dioxide fire extinguisher. The carbon dioxide, which is heavier than the oxygen, pushes out the oxygen effortlessly. Now the fire stops burning because there is no oxygen left in the air. Therefore, the flame gets extinguished.